Have you ever thought about transforming your skin and looking younger without spending a fortune on creams and expensive treatments? Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 most amazing and natural hacks to boost collagen, especially for those over 60. And guess what? All of this is super simple and can be done at home. I'm Dr. Vitality, a specialist in healthy aging, and I'm here to help you live the best version of your life. The first hack is consuming bone broth. It might sound strange, but it works. Bone broth is rich in collagen, that miraculous protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic. When we cook bones for long hours, we release collagen, glycine, and other essential amino acids that help improve the health of our skin, nails, and hair. Besides being a collagen boost, bone broth also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for keeping our bones strong and healthy. It's almost like an elixir of youth. And you don't have to be a chef to make it. Just put the bones in a pot, add water, apple cider vinegar, to help extract the minerals, and let it cook for several hours. Then strain and enjoy. Now, if you think this is just internet talk, know that there's science behind it. Studies show that collagen consumption can really improve skin elasticity and hydration, reducing wrinkles and fine lines, and there's more. Bone broth is also great for gut health. A healthy gut is fundamental for beautiful skin as it helps in the absorption of essential nutrients and reduces inflammation, which can cause problems like acne and rosacea. Have you heard of collagen supplements? They're practically magical. These supplements are gaining more and more space in the world of health and beauty, and it's no wonder. Studies show that taking hydrolyzed collagen can actually improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and even strengthen nails and hair. So, how does it work? When you ingest hydrolyzed collagen, it is broken down into small peptides that are easily absorbed by the body. These peptides travel through your body and accumulate in the skin, increasing the production of collagen and elastin. It's like sending little soldiers to reinforce your anti-aging defenses. But beware, not all collagen supplements are created equal. Always look for high-quality products, preferably those that indicate the source of the collagen, marine or bovine, and are free of unnecessary additives and preservatives. And remember, consistency is key. To see real results, you need to take the supplement regularly for at least 8 to 12 weeks. And here's a bonus tip. To maximize the effects of collagen, combine the supplements with a diet rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for collagen synthesis in the body, helping to keep your skin even firmer and healthier. So, go for citrus fruits, peppers, and dark green leafy vegetables. If you're enjoying these tips, like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content on healthy aging. Now, let's talk about a delicious and colorful secret for radiant skin: vitamin C. That's right, this powerful vitamin not only strengthens the immune system but is also crucial for collagen production. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor in the enzymatic reactions that synthesize collagen, making it indispensable for keeping the skin firm and youthful. Including vitamin C-rich foods in your diet is an easy and tasty way to boost your collagen. Think of citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and strawberries, as well as vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. A fresh orange juice in the morning or a colorful salad at lunch can do wonders for your skin. And don't think vitamin C is just for the skin. It also fights free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. In other words, by consuming vitamin C, you're protecting your skin from the inside out. But here's an extra tip. Avoid overcooking foods rich in vitamin C, as this vitamin is sensitive to heat and can be destroyed during cooking. Prefer to consume these foods raw or lightly cooked to ensure you're getting the maximum benefits. And how about a simple recipe? A citrus smoothie. Just blend an orange, a kiwi, some strawberries, and a bit of water or coconut water. In just a few minutes, you have a refreshing and super nutritious drink that will give that collagen boost to your skin. Let's talk about a hack that's essential for keeping your skin youthful and vibrant: hydration. Yes, drinking enough water is fundamental for your skin's health and collagen production. Without water, our body can't function properly, and that includes the ability to synthesize collagen. Staying well hydrated helps keep your skin elastic, firm, and with that healthy glow we all desire. The skin is composed of about 64% water, and when we're dehydrated, it can become dry and wrinkled. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day is a good goal, but remember that your needs may vary depending on your physical activity, climate, and other factors. Besides plain water, you can hydrate with herbal teas, flavored waters, and water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, and lettuce. And there's more. It's not just about drinking water but also keeping your skin hydrated from the outside. Using moisturizers that contain hyaluronic acid can help attract and retain moisture in the skin. Hyaluronic acid is a substance naturally present in our body and is known for its ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, keeping the skin plump and hydrated. Now, let's move on to a fun tip. Did you know that hydration can also come from soups and broths? Remember our first hack, bone broth? Besides being a great source of collagen, it also helps keep your body hydrated. So, enjoy including nutritious soups and broths in your diet, especially on colder days. And for those who love a flavored drink, how about preparing flavored water? Just add slices of lemon, cucumber, and a few mint leaves to a jug of water. Leave it in the fridge for a few hours, and voila! You have a refreshing and healthy drink that will help you keep your skin beautiful and hydrated. Now let's talk about a hack that will surprise you: regular physical exercise. That's right, moving your body not only keeps you in shape but can also do wonders for your skin. Studies show that physical activity increases blood circulation, which helps deliver essential nutrients and oxygen to skin cells, promoting collagen production. When you exercise, your body produces feel-good hormones like endorphins, which help reduce stress. And less stress means less cortisol, the infamous aging hormone. Less cortisol results in younger and healthier skin, as chronic stress can lead to collagen degradation, and you don't need to be an Olympic athlete to see the benefits. Simple activities like walking, yoga, swimming, or even dancing in your living room can be effective. The important thing is to find an activity you enjoy and can do regularly. Besides improving skin health, exercise also helps maintain a healthy weight, improve posture, and increase energy. Here's a fun tip: try combining your exercise with social activities. Joining a dance class or a walking group not only keeps you active but also offers an opportunity to socialize and have fun. Social interaction is another way to reduce stress and increase happiness, which in turn benefits the skin. And there's more. Strength exercises, like weightlifting or resistance training, are especially good for stimulating collagen production. These exercises create small tears in muscle fibers, which when they regenerate, increase collagen production to repair and strengthen the skin and muscles. Now you know the 5 extreme hacks to boost collagen and transform your skin. From consuming bone broth to staying hydrated and active, these tips are practical and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key to seeing amazing results. So, how about starting today? If you liked our chat about wellness, I have a valuable tip. My wife gained 40 pounds after the birth of our second child. She had given up on losing weight until she discovered a simple but effective secret that helped her shed the extra pounds and regain her health and fitness. Check the link in the first pinned comment for more details, and I'll leave a recommended video for you to watch that will complement everything we talked about today. I'm Dr. Vitality, and remember, health comes first.